Exercise 9.2, question number 1, find the sum. One number 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. We need to add this both, okay, but denominators are same. So simply we will add numerators. So 5 plus minus 11 upon 4. Now here plus minus minus. So 11 minus 5, that gives 6, but minus 6 because greater number is having negative sign, and denominator 4 will come as it is. Now we can reduce it, 6 and 4, because minus 6 and 4 comes in the table of 2. So 2 3s and negative sign will come 6 and 2 2s 4. So minus 3 upon 2. But minus 3 upon 2, if you see, so it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will convert into mixed fraction and then we will write. So minus 3 upon 2 equals to minus 1 integer 1 upon 2. Now second number, 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Now here denominators are different, so what we will do, we will take out LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now we will change denominator 15. So 3 with which number will multiply? 5. Down 5, up also 5. Now here also 5 we need to change it 15. 5 3s are down 3, up also 3. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Now we can add numerators because denominators are same. So 25 plus 9 upon 15. So if we add 25 plus 9, we will get 34 upon 15. But yet it is in improper manner. So what we will do, again we will find out, we will divide and we will find out mixed number. So 34 upon 5 equals to 2 integer 4 upon 15. On dividing this, we are getting this mixed number. Now third number, that is minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. Now here also how we will add, denominators are different. So we will take LCM. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So now we will make denominator 30. So minus 9, 10 with which number will multiply? With 3. Down 3, up also 3. Then 22 upon 15. Now 15 also we need to make 30. With which number will multiply? 2s. Down 2, up also 2. Now we will multiply. So minus 9 into 3, that gives minus 27. 10 3s 30. 22 2s 44. 44 upon 30. And now we can add. Minus 27 plus 44 upon 30. But if you see here, so plus minus minus. So we need to subtract 27 from 44. So if we subtract, what we will get? We will get 17. And any negative sign will not come because greater number is having a positive sign. So 17 upon 30. And this is a proper answer. So that is why 17 upon 30. Now fourth number, minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. Now 11 and 9 also different denominators. So again we will find out the LCM of 11 and 9. So LCM of 11, 9 is 99. So now we will make the denominators 99. So minus 3 upon minus 11. With which number we will multiply? With 9. Down 9, up also 9. Now here 9 to make 99, we will multiply with 11. So 9 into 11 and down 11, up also 11. And now if we will see, so minus 3 into 9, that gives minus 27, and minus 11 into 9, that gives minus 99. But here both negative, negative, that means it's a positive rational number. So 27 upon 99. Now plus 5 11s are 55, 9 11s are 99. Now both denominators are same, so we can add 27 plus 55 upon 99. So if we add both this, we will get 82 Okay, 82 upon 99. So here also answer is proper, 82 upon 99. Fifth number, minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. Now denominators are different, so again we will find out the LCM. So LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. Now we will change both the denominators into 57. So minus 8 upon 19. Now 19 I will multiply with which? So with 3, and down 3, up also 3. And minus 2 upon 57 is already 57, so just multiply with 1. Now minus 8 into 3, that gives minus 24, and 19 3s are 57, and here as it is minus 2 upon 57. Now denominators are equal, so now simply I can add. So minus 24 plus minus 2 upon 57. Now as I can see here, so 2 minus minus there. So if I will add minus 24 plus minus 2, so we will get minus 26 upon 57. So what is the answer? Minus 26 upon 57. Now sixth number, minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. So here you see the 0 is there and it is not having any denominator. So first we will give denominator 1. And now we can take LCM of 3 and 1. Definitely we are knowing that it will be 3 only. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So now minus 2 upon 3, 1 plus 0. Now this 1 we need to convert into 3. So we will multiply with 3 and up also with 3. So now minus 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, plus now 0 3s are will come 0 upon 1 3s are 3. So minus 2 plus 0 upon 3. So what it will come? It will come same, minus 2 upon 3. 7 number, minus 2 integer 1 upon 3 plus 4 integer 3 upon 5. Now it is a mixed number, so we will convert into improper fraction. So 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. So minus 7. So minus 7 upon 3 plus 4 5s are 20 and 3 23. So 23 upon 5. Now we will add denominators are different. So here also we will take LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. And now we will make this both denominators 15. So minus 7 upon 3, with which number I will multiply to get 15? 3 5s are. Down 5, up also 5. Now 23 upon 5, in second number also 5, I will multiply with 3 to get 15. Down multiply with 3, up also multiply with 3. Now minus 7 into 5, that gives minus 35. 3 5s are 15 plus 23 3s are 69 and 5 3s are 15. Now denominators are equal, so now we can add. So minus 35 plus 69 upon 15. But plus minus minus. So I will subtract 35 from 69. So that gives 34. Now why 34? Because greater number is having a positive sign. So 34 upon 15. But yet it is an improper. So we will divide and then we will write. So 34 upon 15 equals to 2 integer 4 upon 15. Question 2. Find one number 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Now here we need to do subtraction. So in introduction only I have explained that for doing subtraction what we need to add additive inverse. This term we need to make additive inverse. But let us start solving first. The first step is the same. We need to make the denominators equal. So first we will take LCM of 24 and 36. So LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. So we need to make this what denominator? 72. So first we will take 7 upon 24. Not 7 upon 24. I will multiply with which number? 3 to get 72. Down 3, up also 3. And then 17 upon 36. So here 17 upon 36. This 36 I will multiply with which number to get 72? With 2. Down 2, up also 2. then 7 3s are 21 and 24 3s are 72 and 17 2s are 34 and 36 2s are 72. But now here, as I told, now denominators are equal, so now we can subtract, okay? But before subtracting, we want to do additive inverse of this 34 upon 72. So what is the additive inverse of 34 upon 72? We need to put here negative sign, okay? Or else, if we can say, if you want to do additive inverse of this term, so you can do of this term also. But we need to subtract this, so we can do in this also, okay? So now 7 upon 24 minus, if we can do 17 upon 36, but 7 upon 24 plus, now we will do additive inverse of minus 17 upon 36. We need to add this additive inverse, so that is why with this we will make this. So we need to mention here additive inverse of 17 upon 36 is minus 17 upon 36. So now 21 upon 72 plus, now we will take this plus 34 upon 72 because we need to do additive inverse. So plus minus 34 upon 72. Now we can add, so 21 plus minus 34 upon 72. So plus minus minus. So 21 we will subtract from 34. So it will come 13. But greater number is having a negative sign. So minus 13 upon 72 is the answer. Second number, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. So first we will take LCM. So LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. So now this first number is already there. Then also 63 with 1, down 1, up 1. Okay. And minus 6 upon 21. Now 21 with which number we will multiply to get 63? So 21 with 3 we will multiply. Down 3, up also 3. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 63 ones are 63, and minus 6 into 3, that gives minus 18 upon 21 into 3, that is 63. And now before subtracting we will do additive inverse of this minus 18 upon 63. So additive inverse of minus 18 upon 63 is 18 upon 63. And now we need to add this, okay, because in subtraction we are adding additive inverse, okay. So 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. Denominators are equal, so 5 plus 18 upon 63. So 5 plus 18, that gives 23 upon 63. Third number, minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. So LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. So minus 6 upon 13. Now 13 we have to multiply with 15 to get 195. Down with 15, up also with 15. Now minus 7 upon 15. Now this 15 I will multiply with 13 to get 195. So down 13, up also 13. Now minus 6 into 15, that gives minus 90, and 13 15 195. And minus 7 into 13, that gives minus 91. And 15 13s are 195. And now in subtraction we need to do additive inverse and then we will add, okay. So what is the additive inverse of minus 91 upon 195? So additive inverse of minus 91 upon 195 is 91 upon 195. And now we will add this to minus 90 upon 195. So minus 90 upon 195 plus 91 upon 195. So here denominators are same. So now easily minus 90 plus 91 upon 195. Now plus minus minus, and so 91 we will subtract, 90 will subtract from 91. So what is remaining? 1. Greater number sign will also come. So 1 upon 195 is the answer. Fourth number, minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. So the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. Now we will make the denominator 88. So minus 3 upon 8. 8 with which number I will multiply to get 88? I will multiply with 11. Down 11, up also 11. And 7 upon 11. Now 11 with which number I will multiply to get 88? 11. 8 down 8, up also 8. Now minus 3 into 11, that gives minus 33. 11 8s are 88, and 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. 11 8s are 88. And now as we are knowing, we need to add additive, inverse and subtraction. So this we will do additive inverse. Okay, so additive inverse of 56 upon 88 is minus 56 upon 88. And now we will solve. Minus 33 upon 88 plus minus 56 upon 88. So here if you see, now we can make addition because denominators are same. So minus 33 plus minus 56 upon 88. So if we add this both negative numbers, so we will get minus 89 upon 88 as it is. But as we see that denominator is smaller than numerator, so we will divide and we will convert into mixed fraction. So minus 1 integer 1 upon 88 is the answer. Fifth number, minus 2 integer 1 upon 9 minus 6. Now here it is a mixed number given. So what we will do, we will convert it into improper fraction. So here 2 9s are 18 and 1 19, but minus 19. So minus 19 upon 9 and minus 6. Now 6 is not having any denominator, so we will give the denominator 1. And now we need to take LCM of 9 and 1 to make the denominators equal. And we are knowing that LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Okay. So minus 19 upon 9 with 1 only we will multiply, or you can write as it is. And with 6. Now 1 with which number we will multiply to make it 9? With 9. And 6 also with 9. So 19 ones are minus 19 and 9. Then here 6 9s are 54. 54 upon 9. But now we have to make additive inverse of this 54 upon 9. So additive inverse of 54 upon 9 is minus 54 upon 9. And now this we need to add with minus 19 upon 9. So minus 19 upon 9 plus minus 54 upon 9. Now denominators are same, so minus 19 plus minus 54 upon 9. And we will add both the negative integers, so we will get minus 73 upon 9. Now here also if you see, so numerator is greater than denominator, so again we will divide it and we will write answer as a mixed number. So minus 8 integer 1 upon 9 is the answer.